The role of PMI ACP in risk management for Agile projects in today's fast-paced business world. Agile methods are popular for managing projects. They are flexible, customer-focused, and can adapt to changing needs. However, with this adaptability comes the challenge of managing risks effectively. The PMI's Agile Certified Practitioner, PMI ACP, certifies project managers. Understanding risk management in Agile projects using the Agile method undergo frequent scope shifts and need updates. This fluidity helps in adapting to customer needs, but we must manage the unique risks it poses. Agile risk management is unlike traditional project management. In the latter, we address risks in specific phases. Agile, but, is an ongoing process. It integrates into daily stand-ups, sprint reviews, and retrospectives. PMI ACP professionals undergo training to identify and handle risks. This keeps the project on track. PMI ACP and risk identification techniques. PMI ACP certification gives practitioners a deep understanding of Agile risk identification techniques. Techniques like risk brainstorming, SWOT analysis, and risk mapping are vital. They can find risks that traditional methods might miss. Also, Agile methods like backlog prioritization and customer feedback help. Risk assessment and prioritization in Agile projects. PMI ACP pros use tools to assess risks. They use risk matrices, risk burndown charts, and Monte Carlo simulations. This assessment helps the team divide resources. It ensures they mitigate the biggest risks first. Also, Agile's iterative nature allows for ongoing risk reassessment, so teams can adjust their strategies as the project evolves. Mitigation strategies and PMI ACP best practices. Mitigating risks in Agile projects requires a combination of proactive and reactive strategies. The PMI ACP certification stresses the need for contingency plans. They address potential risks. Conclusion. In conclusion, the PMI ACP certification is key to better risk management in Agile projects. PMI ACP provides practitioners with tools to find, assess, and reduce risks. This makes Agile projects flexible, adaptive, and resilient to challenges. Agile's constant risk management, plus PMI ACP best practices, helps teams meet customer expectations. It lets them deliver successful projects despite Agile's uncertainties.